Hi guys, I'm going to share with you guys my simple skincare routine. I think everybody should have a skincare routine. If you want your skin to look nice and your makeup to look okay, you have to have a skincare routine. So I hope this video will be an inspiration to you guys so that you can start your own skincare routine. For me personally, this is must. Like, I cannot go without doing this process which I'm going to show you shortly, because I have oil underneath my skin. I don't know how it's called, but you guys will see it. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Shania Matanji and I'm just a new YouTuber. On my channel I'm planning to talk about fashion, beauty and everything about me. So if you are interested to join my team, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get a notification wherever I post my video. Without any more blah blah, let's go to the video. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm beginning by this face and body lemon whitening refreshener gel. I love this gel, you guys, because it contains vitamin C, E, D and B, and it eliminates age hormone on the surface of the skin. Then I am taking a cotton and then just put a little bit into water and just rubbing on my skin so that to remove this particle. I don't like to wash my water after applying this gel, you guys, because I love this gel. So this is how much my face was so dirty. I'm so ashamed by it. Then I am taking this facial puff cleansing blush and then I'm starting to wash my face. I love to wash my face by using a brush. You can use different brushes if you want. This is very important because it gives me that clean, deep skin, you guys. I'm using Kanga to dry my skin. For a scrub, I'm going to use apricot scrub. I love this scrub because it is good for all skin types, and I just went and put on my shower cap because I normally, like usually, always do all of these process on the shower. So that's why I did that, because my hair was all over the place, you guys. This is the must process for me because it just open up my pores. Then I am going to use Lady Diana lightening peel off mask. I love peel off masks, you guys, because it pulls all the impurities under your skin, which is very important for me, you guys, because I have those things under my skin and it tightening your skin. So I love peel off masks. After half an hour, my mask is dry, and yeah, this is how it look, you guys. Like, my face is so tight, which is good. It's good. So now I'm just starting to peel off my mask. And this is how my skin looks, you guys. It is so nice, and I feel so clean, so clean. Then I am going to apply my oil, and I am using RS oil, olive oil. This oil is so nice. I am using this oil on my hair, on my body, on my food. So nice. Then I am going to use my face roller. It is just from the fridge. If you have ice roller, you can use it, or if you don't have any of these, you can just use like an actual ice, just to cool down your face after all the scrubbing and everything. And this is the final look, you guys.